Mix-up is the fourth dish for Christmas. For Christmas pudding plum pudding introduction, a classic English steamed dessert made with dried fruit, spices, and often soaked in alcohol, traditionally prepared weeks or months in advance. Ingredients preparation: mixed dried fruit raisins, prunes, cherries, 500 g, breadcrumbs fine, 100 g, all-purpose flour, 100 g, eggs, 2, strong alcohol brandy, rum, 150 milliliters for soaking, suet beef fat, vegetable shortening, 100 g, seasoning, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, nutmeg, brown sugar, step-by-step instructions: soak the dried fruit in strong alcohol for at least 12 hours. Mix all dry ingredients, flour, breadcrumbs, spices, brown sugar, and suet. Add the eggs and the alcohol-soaked fruit, mixing until a thick batter is formed. Pour the mixture into a butter pudding basin, cover tightly with parchment paper and foil. Steam boil, simmer the pudding for about 6 to 8 hours. Once cooled, store it. Re-steam for 2 hours before serving. Presentation and serving: turn the pudding onto a platter. Pour warm brandy over the top and flambe light on fire before guests. Serve with brandy butter sauce or custard. Notes: the pudding requires a long steaming time and should be stored properly to allow the flavors to deepen. Cover the basin tightly to prevent water from entering. Please see the fifth dish next.